American Polywater Instagrout sealant seals and protects transformer pads, J-boxes, control cabinets, and switchgear base openings simply and effectively. Polywater Instagrout creates a permanent base barrier against moisture, rodents, snakes, and insects. The strong, lightweight base sealant withstands freeze-thaw cycles and environmental extremes. It is compatible with cable jacket materials and will not corrode metal. Instagrout sealant adheres to metals, plastics, wood, and concrete, creating a permanent but re-enterable barrier. Instagrout sealant is packaged in pre-measured pouches for easy installation and on-site mixing. The PMT2, PMT1. Before installing ped floor sealant, determine the size of the area to be sealed. The PMT2 covers 2 square feet, 3 inches thick, or a 1 by 2 foot opening. The PF1 covers 1 square foot, 3 inches thick, or a 1 by 1 foot opening. After determining the size and quantity of material needed, you're ready to install. First, level the surface with sand or dirt. Any rocks or pea gravel must be covered with at least 1 inch of sand or dirt. Next, roll the burst pack to break the primary seal in the middle. Mix the 2 parts vigorously, 30 times back and forth. An edge of a smooth surface can be used to assist in the mixing. After the Instagrout is well mixed, you have 5 minutes to apply it. To deploy Instagrout, roll the burst pack and break the secondary seal. With the dispensing nozzle, apply about ½ inch of Instagrout sealant throughout the desired area. The Instagrout will flow, so apply extra Instagrout in hard-to-reach areas. After application, Instagrout will take 15 to 20 minutes to rise. To re-enter Instagrout, you can drill or saw, just like soft wood. For more information,